Hola guys, a new video, a new vlog from Suleiman Vlogs. Welcome to my channel. And today's vlog is very different. It starts in Barcelona. I thought I'd start my 2025 nicely with a little quick trip to Spain. Why not? And this is the airport. I'm currently at gate A, just waiting for my friend. He can't seem to find me. And yeah, the weather's the sun's out, which is a nice change to the UK, but it is not warm. It's just an illusion. It's actually quite cold, to be fair. Alright, so my friend's just arrived and I've handed him over my bag. Make life easy for me, why not? We are now walking to the train station. Just look at the sun, guys. The sun is shining. I can't remember the last time I seen some sunshine. It seemed like forever. Train has arrived, and looks like someone's done some cool graffiti on it. That's really cool. Or is that just the design of the train? Sorry. Like a little tourist, not gonna lie. Train's nice and empty, just the way I like it. We're at Barcelona train station, and we are now gonna leave to sightsee a little bit. I'll see what I can see. I'm not very familiar with Barcelona. Whenever I come to Spain, I'll just stay in Salou, so let's have a look. We just come to the body shop. I've actually got a sale on, which is quite cool. We've gone in the UK, but I never actually visit, which is insane. But you know, when you're on holiday mode, you just want to go everywhere and do everything. So yeah, picked up a face scrub, tea tree face scrub, and just checking out anything else. Okay, so we're on the way to Sagrada Familia. We're just getting out the train station, and yeah, taking you guys along with me. Oh wow, it's just there. Just look at that. Whoa. So there it is, guys. Sagrada Familia. Insane. Wow. Wow. So we now come at the back. We've got this little stall for things to purchase. Just wow. Insane. magnets. Come to the ornament shop. Alright guys, I've come to eat at Mustafa's Music Kebab. I'll place my order. So, thank you.
There your turn, okay?
Okay, thank you. This is the menu. So I got a durum. And this is the vibe. That is one big durum. Look at that size of that. We got some masala fries and then iodine. I used to drink this a lot in Turkey. And here's the view. I'm Mustafa's Gimisi kebab. Okay, just literally finished eating and we're now leaving. The food was alright. I've had better durums, I'm not gonna lie. And when I stand right here, it's giving me Tarragona vibes. Pretty much every city in Spain has the same kind of vibe. But obviously you don't get that view in Tarragona, the Sagrada Familia. Alright guys, we are currently on the bus and you can actually see Ferrari land over there. We're on the bus to Salou, Portaventura. So we got the train from Barcelona Sands to, can't remember the name of the station, and because there's actually work going on the train line, they have buses parked there for like different places, different cities. So we saw the one to Salou, Portaventura, and it is pretty empty. The train is pretty empty. But I'm finally in Salou. How amazing. I feel like I'm finally home. The current time is 4:03 PM and we have just reached Salou. The H10 Salou Princess Hotel was just there. That's Hotel Villa Romana. Pretty familiar with all these places, to be honest. So we are just en route. Hola Salou! There's the bus that I just came on. And we have finally reached Salou. So this is Portaventura. And now there's a bit of a walk from here, to be fair. But I don't mind a nice walk. Especially when the sun is shining. And we're chilling. Hello guys, I have reached Salou and I'm finally home. And I've just sort of settled in, pulled my stuff away, and yeah, this is going to be my view for 2 weeks, inshallah. And I am pretty excited. I just went there to get some drinks, Sunny Delight. And this is new, this area. This was being renovated the last time I came. The sun is now setting and it's a cold breeze, should I say. Alright guys, we've just ate dinner and we are now leaving to go for a little walk. It is actually freezing, I'm not gonna lie. So that's Kune's uncle, and then you've got the uncle, and then yeah, auntie pata nahi kaun hai. Alright guys, I am using the super night mode now because it is night time and I'm going on a walk. And Al Campo is still opening. Nice, I like that. Okay. And so I'm just gonna give a bit of an overview of my day. That was a really good day. Obviously the flight was slightly delayed, which is a bit inconvenient, but we got here. Really, the flight was delayed by about 20 minutes, but we only landed, I think, 5 minutes late. So yeah.
English
Best here.
Yeah, so when you come here during the season, there's like you can't even find space to walk. It's absolutely rammed. Okay, but obviously right now it's not season, it's January, and yeah, the street is pretty quiet. There's actually no one here, just a few random people just walking, and these are the people that probably live here. Okay guys, I am now recording in super night mode in 4K 60 frames per second, and this is the result. I am so pleased with how this looks. It's insane. Now it's not like, I wouldn't say super light, obviously there's quite big lights there, but the camera picks up everything beautifully. Okay, and just for those who do not know, I am recording from the DJI Action Pro 5. Okay, this is the beauty of life, guys. Good friends, the beach, and nice strong wind. This friend of mine doesn't seem to be in my videos. Okay. There's the infamous Salou sign. Oh god, going in the wrong direction. I think I'm going to end my vlog there, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Just going to walk home now and chill. Take care and look after yourself, and please like, share and subscribe. Peace out.